Sometimes it's good to be flat out honest. My audio wouldn't work, so I figured I'd give you the video and give you a little narration of the Edwards 1303-T coded fire alarm system. The 1303 is not a coded system without the code transmitter board attached at the bottom in the panel. You got a single stroke bell, that's a 135 heat sensor fixed, and that's your standard Edwards 270 pull station. Upon activation of the pull station, it sounds the trouble buzzer, which you silence with the switch. The light comes on to indicate that it is silenced. Upon opening the panel, you will see that the relay on the right hand side of the light is the bell relay. This panel puts out a code of 4444. 4 rounds of code 4. And you could see the nice big sparks flying off of there once in a while. That's your code wheel mechanism with the code stamped at the bottom. It's a little blurry. This panel is also wired Class A. Everything is wired to the device and back to the panel. There are no end-of-line resistors used. You'll see the trouble buzzer is the thing with the yellow wires that's off on the side there. This is one heck of a high voltage system. If you're ever going to mess with one, watch what you touch. That's all I can say. Upon the end of the code cycle, the pull station is opened, the trouble sounder resounds, you flip the switch back to normal, and the panel is reset. There is no reset button on this panel. And that's about it. Sorry about the audio. I hope to fix that soon. I hope you enjoyed the video.